Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the scared version of Girlfriend from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing her eyes. Draw a diagonal line here, and then a curve above it for the shape of the eye. Now color it in black. And add 3 curves out to the side for the eyelashes. Now do the same thing for the left eye, but this one should be slightly higher and a little bit shorter. Next, draw a curved V-shape above the left eye. And then another one to the right. Now an angled curve down on the right. Next, from the left side, draw a large V-shape outwards. Under this section of hair, draw a line down for the side of the face. Let's draw her hands next. Draw a curve up to the face line and then back down and in. Now add 2 more curves on the right for her other fingers. And 1 more curve at the bottom here. Do the same thing for her other hand on the right side, but make it a mirror image of this hand. Next, draw a curve in between the hands for the bottom of her face. Let's draw her mouth next. Draw 2 wavy lines across between her hands here. Next, above her left hand, draw a curve for her ear. And another curve on the left side of the hand. Let's hop to the right side now to draw her ear. Draw a curved section of hair out like this. And then a small curve under it. And again under a small pointed piece of hair outwards. Now from the top, draw a curve over and back in for the ear. Let's start drawing her hair now. Start with the top section of hair up here. And then add a small curved line to the right. Draw the left side of her hair with a curve over, down, and then back up at the end. Then curve it down and in. Now a large curve down for the right side. And add a large curved section of hair connecting it to the ear. Before continuing the hair, let's draw her body first. Under her right hand, draw a U curve for the arm. Then to the left of the arm, draw a curve to the left and back down for her leg. Under this line, draw an S-curve here. And now a curve from the arm down and into the leg. Next, at the bottom of the leg, draw a curve out to the left to close it off. Let's draw her shoe now. Draw a pointed V shape here. And then draw the heel of her shoe with a curve down, and then a straight line back up. Let's draw her other leg now. From the right leg, draw a curve over and back into the shoe. And then an S-curve inside. Next, draw her other shoe underneath. Start with a small curve. And then a curved V-shape downwards. Now let's draw her left arm behind the leg. And then a small curve between the arm and leg for her body. And add one more curve above her right knee. Now draw a straight line across on either side of her legs for the top of the speaker. I'm not going to draw the speaker in this video, but if you want a tutorial on how to draw it, please see my girlfriend drawing tutorial in the link above. Let's finish off her hair now. On the left, draw a small curve down. And then a long S-curve. Curve this section back inwards. And then add 2 short diagonal lines down. Now move over to the right side and draw an upwards curved piece of hair like this. And then a piece under it curving downwards. And add one more curve down to close it off. And that's it for the scared girlfriend. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.